Welcome to Active Electrons. In this video, we will be designing a sequence generator using shift register method. The first step to design a sequence generator using shift register method is to calculate the number of flip-flops required. There will be a given sequence. The sequence here is 1 0 1 0 1. So now the first step is to count the number of bits present. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 bits. Here the given expression is L less than or equal to 2 power n minus 1. So L is given as 5, which we have identified from the sequence. Less than or equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Bringing 1 this side, it becomes 6 less than or equal to 2 to the power n. So n determines the number of flip-flops here. Lowercase n determines number of flip-flops here. So now what we are going to do, let us assume n to be equal to 3 when 2 power 3 which is 8. So 6 less than or equal to 8. The expression is perfect. In the same way, when we assume n is equal to 2, 2 power 2, it becomes 4. So the expression may not be valid. Therefore, we are dropping n is equal to 2 and we have opted n is equal to 3. So now we need 3 flip-flops in order to go for the design. So assuming that we need 3 flip-flops, let us proceed with the next step. So here we have A, B, C. Since we have 3 flip-flops, we have 3 outputs. Each outputs are being mentioned as A, B and C. And here the input sequence given is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Therefore 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The same sequence could be shifted here. 1, 0, 1, 0. This 1 goes here. Again, there is another flop, therefore we can go for another shift. Therefore, it is 1, 1, 0, 1. The 0 goes here. Now we have to check whether any of these states are repeating. Now let us rewrite it here. It is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Can we look into this state 101 is being repeated twice. Therefore, it is not possible to design the sequence generator with 3 flip-flops. Therefore, we need an additional flip-flop. An additional flip-flop D is added. Again, the same sequence has to be shifted. So once again, we are shifting this sequence. And again, we have to check whether there is any repetition of states. So now the states are 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we have to check out there is no repetition of states. Therefore, 4 flip-flops is enough in order to design. Now the next step is to go for feedback signal. F stands for feedback signal. So we'll have a shift registers here. Outputs of shift registers will be taken and given to a combinational logic. And then the output of combinational logic will be given as the input. So here when we look into this logic, we are going to design now and we are going to identify this F feedback signal. In order to do that, we have to shift this data once again and then go for a K-map. So the data is shifted once. Let us go for a K-map now. So K-map for the feedback signal has to be done. So it is AB is 1, 1, CD is 0, 1. AB is 1, 1, CD is 0, 1. At this location, the feedback signal is 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, it is 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, it is 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, it is 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, it is 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, it is 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, it is 1. So in rest all states we are marking a don't care. So now we have to try for maximum grouping. 16 is not possible. Therefore, we are going for 8. So this becomes a first group. And it is not possible to group here because we have zeros. Not possible to group this way because we have a 1 here. Anyhow, we have to go for a group. Let us group this way. This 4 and this 4 together. Now we have to write expressions. Expression for this group could be A bar. Expression for this group could be D bar. So feedback signal F is equal to A bar plus D bar. This is what we have derived. Next we have to go for the design. So the expression F is equal to A bar plus D bar. Since we had 4 bits A, B, C, D, we have 4 flip-flops here connected in like a shift register. So now we have to draw the combinational logic alone. It is A bar. If this is A, obviously this is A bar. Therefore A bar is taken. And similarly this is D and this is D bar. These two signals are given to an OR gate because this is D bar, this is A bar. Output F will be A bar plus D bar. This signal will be given as an input to the flip-flop. Therefore, we have designed the sequence generator using shift register method. And this is a logic diagram. Thank you.